everyone, my name is Athens Nur Septiani and my student number is 240107161. In this presentation, I will discuss two videos about plastic. Have you ever thought that everyday items like bottles and plastic bags can last for hundreds of years and even pollute the oceans? From this question, we will explore how plastic changed from a brilliant invention into a global environmental problem. The first one, summary of both videos. The first videos explain the history of plastic, how it is made from fossil fuels and how it became cheap, strong, and widely used around the world. However, its massive use has created serious environmental problems because it is very difficult to break down. The second videos show the journey of 3 plastic bottles after being thrown away. One ended up in a landfill, one in the oceans, and one is successful recycled. Both videos highlight that how we dispose of plastic greatly affect the environment. And the second one, fact analysis. Some important facts from the videos are that plastic can take hundreds to thousands of years to decompose. Millions of tons of plastic enter the ocean every year, and only a small percentage is recycled. The most surprising fact is that most of the plastic ever produced still exists on Earth today. Just breaking down into smaller pieces called microplastic, which are even harder to detect and control. And then number 3, structure comparison. The first videos use because and effect and problem solution structure, explaining the issue of plastic pollution on a global scale. Meanwhile, the second videos use a chronological storytelling structure, following the journey of 3 battles to show different outcomes. Therefore, the first video is more informative and broad, while the second is simpler and more narrative basis. And then inference and what if. Number 1, what if John Wesley had never invented celluloid? The world might have less plastic pollution today, but modern technology and daily life would also be very different and less advanced. Number 2, what if all butter ended up being recycled like bottle 3? There will be significantly less waste in the environment, cleaner oceans, and healthier ecosystem. If I were the person who threw away bottle 2, I would dispose of it properly in a recycling bin and try to reduce my use of single-use plastic. And then conclusion and reflection. The main message from both videos is that plastic is very useful, but it becomes a serious treat if not managed properly after watching these videos. I realize that small action like reducing single-use plastic and recycling can have a big impact on protecting the environment. That is the end and of my presentation. Thank you for listening and let's start being more responsible with plastic to keep our planet clean and healthy. Bye bye guys.